Okay, so let's get our autoresponder set up inside of our Gmail account. So I'm in my inbox and I'm going to go up to the gear for settings, see all settings, and then I'm just going to scroll down. Down here at the bottom, you'll find the vacation responder. And even though this is not a vacation, this is just our normal autoresponder, this is what we're going to use. So we'll go ahead and we'll turn it on. We can leave the first day as today, and we can just not have a last day because we want this to be on always. Then we can go ahead and write in our subject, which I'm going to paste in mine. And then we can go ahead and put in the message. And you can do some formatting here. You can spruce things up a little bit if you want. I've just kept mine pretty simple, but if you are going to have like an FAQ section, you can add in links. If you're going to have any information that maybe needs like an image, you can do that. So you really have a lot of options here in terms of the formatting of your autoresponder. I've got mine how I want it, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Save Changes. And there we go. Now I have my autoresponder up, and you can see up here at the top, we have it. I can end it if I want it to just end right now, or I can click right here directly on vacation settings to change my settings for the autoresponder. I'm going to go back to here and mention something really fast. You can, if you want, only send this to people in your contacts or only people who are in your business. So for example, if I wanted an autoresponder that would only go to my VA or other people on my team, I could check this box. If I wanted one that would maybe only go to my clients and I have all of my clients saved in my contacts, I could check this box. So you do have some additional options there as well, depending on how you want to use your autoresponder. All right, but that's it. We've got our autoresponder set up and we are good to go.